Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is December 8th, 2025. We've got a John Deere 555 track loader here. Gonna get a quick little walk around video, show the undercarriage, and then we'll get right into an operations on this machine. So this machine was rebuilt. I'm not sure what year. We will update the description if we can find out. But it was either rebuilt with new undercarriage, new motor, or both, maybe. It's definitely got a new rail on it, guys. Maybe even some new rollers. It's got an 82-inch bucket on it. Probably about a 3-yard bucket, maybe 4. All the pins in here seem to be pretty tight. They've got some wear, you know, they're in the bottom pins, but that's pretty normal. The cylinders on top seem to be fine. The bottom cylinders, they have normal seepage as they normally do. They get a lot of dirt in those seals and get compacted. We'll go ahead and show the hours, guys. The hours in this unit are showing to be like 4,610 hours showing. 4,610 hours showing there, guys. Got a power shift transmission, cruise control, runs good, no smoke. Go ahead and show the engine compartment here. All right. Oil looks clean, as you can see. All right, last thing left to do here, guys, is to give you a quick little operation video. 1.5 yard, guys. 1.5 yard bucket on it. As you can see, 1.5 yard bucket. All right, guys, without further ado, let me go ahead and get you a quick little operations on this machine. All right, here we go. Check it out, guys, on a John Deere 555G. Well, hell, let me get this back a little bit so you can actually run it. right, guys, as you can see, the unit runs and works flawlessly, guys. That thing runs really good. Not blowing any black smoke, white smoke. The brakes are working, going forward and backwards. I went through all 4 gears, 4 forward and 4 back, and they all pulled just as hard as they could, guys. This thing has got a lot of good power. It's a tight machine. The bucket worked as it was supposed to. Nice little 555G, guys. Good hours on it too. So if you're interested in the machine and got any questions, feel free to give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-YQDOs. Again, this is a nice John Deere 555G track loader. Ran really good for us, guys. Thank you.